Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete your Facebook dating profile. If you're tired of using Facebook dating or not getting the matches you want, you can always delete your profile. So, let's dive right in. Start by opening Facebook and tapping the menu icon at the bottom right. Scroll down, and if you don't see Dating, tap See More, and you'll find it there. Once inside Dating, tap the gear icon at the top right. Next, tap General at the top right again. You'll see two options. First, Take a Break option. This option lets you pause your Facebook dating profile. You might want to use this if you've started dating someone and want to see how things go before continuing on Facebook dating. Second is Delete Profile. To permanently delete your profile, tap Delete Profile. It will ask you why you're deleting it, but you can choose any reason and hit Next twice. You'll get a final warning saying you can't create a new profile for 7 days if you proceed. Make sure you're okay with this, especially if you're talking to someone, as they might wonder where you've gone. If you're sure about deleting your profile, confirm it. But if you're unsure, it might be best to just pause it for now. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.